নমস্কার, আমার চ্যানেল পাঠশালাতে আপনাদের স্বাগতম। আজকের বিষয় কম্পিউটার বিভিন্ন রকম শর্টকাট কি এবং তার ব্যবহার। প্রথম আলোচনা কম্পিউটারের বেসিক শর্টকাট কি।
Shortcut keys and their uses. Alt plus F, file menu options in the current program. Alt plus E, edits options in the current program. F1, universal help. Control plus A, selects all text. Control plus X, cuts the selected item. Control plus Del, cuts selected item. Control plus C, copy the selected item. Control plus ins, copy the selected item. Control plus V, paste the selected item. Shift plus ins, paste the selected item. Home takes the user to the start of the current line. Control plus Home, go to the beginning of the document. End, go to the end of the current line. Control plus End, go to the end of a document. Shift plus Home, highlight from the prevailing position to the start of the line. Shift plus End, highlight from the prevailing position to the end of the line. Control plus left arrow, move one term to the left at a time. Control plus right arrow, move one term to the right at a time.
দ্বিতীয় আলোচনা উইন্ডোজের বেসিক শর্টকাট কি।
Control plus plus key, adjust the widths of all columns automatically in Windows Explorer. Alt plus Enter, open the Properties window for the selected icon or program. Alt plus Print Screen, take a screenshot of the current page. Control plus Alt plus Del, reboot Windows Task Manager. Control plus Escape, these keys allow you to activate the Start menu. F4, its purpose in Windows to open the located window. F5, refresh the contents of your Windows system. F3, find anything from your system's desktop. Alt plus Escape, switch between desktop applications on the taskbar. F2, rename the selected icon. Alt plus Shift plus Tab, it allows you to switch back between ongoing applications. Alt plus Tab, switch between open applications programs. Shift plus Delete, when you press the Shift and Delete keys together, your program or files will be deleted permanently. Alt plus F4, it is used to close the ongoing program. Control plus F4, it's used to swiftly close a document or a file that's currently open. F11 or Windows logo key plus up arrow, maximize window. Windows logo key plus tab, open task view. Windows logo key plus D, display and hide the desktop. Alt plus tab, switch between open apps. Windows logo key plus X, open the quick link menu. Windows logo key plus L, lock your PC. Number 3. Keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Excel. Alt plus Shift plus F1, when you wanna insert new worksheet, use these keys together. Shift plus F3, with the help of these keys, you can open the MS Excel formula window. Shift plus F5, when you press these keys together, it will open the search box. F11, the F11 key is used to create a chart in MS Excel. Control plus Shift plus semicolon, with the help of these keys, you can enter the current time. Control plus semicolon, use these keys together to enter the current date. Control plus K, when you want to insert a link, you can use these keys together. Control plus F, these keys are used to open, find and replace options in MS Excel. Control plus G, use these keys together to open go-to options. Control plus B, when you press these keys together, it will bold highlighted selection. F2, when you want to edit the selected cell using this key. F5, with the help of this key, you can go to a specific cell. F7, with the help of this key, you can check the spell of selected text. Ctrl+I, these commands are used to italicize highlighted selection. Ctrl+space, use these keys together to select the entire column. Shift+space, use these keys together to select the entire row. Ctrl+W, use these keys together to close the document. Ctrl+H, use these keys to open find and replace options. Ctrl+U, with help of these keys, you can underline highlighted text. Ctrl+Y, with help of these keys, you can underline highlighted text. Ctrl+Z, with the help of these keys, you can undo the last deleted action. Ctrl+F9, use these keys to minimize a current window in MS Excel. Ctrl+F10, use these keys to maximize the currently selected window in MS Excel. Ctrl+Tab, with the help of these keys, you can move between two or more open MS Excel files. Alt+equal, with the help of these keys, you can initiate the formula to add all of the above cells. Ctrl+, with the use of these keys together you can insert the value in the current cell from the above cell. Ctrl+, right arrow, with the help of these keys, you can jump on to the next section of text. Ctrl+O, use these keys to open options in MS Excel. Ctrl+N, use these keys together to open the document in MS Excel. Ctrl+P, use these keys together to open the print dialog box in MS Excel. Number 4. Keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Word. Ctrl+B, bold highlighted selection. Ctrl+C, copy selected text. Ctrl+X, cut selected text. Ctrl+N, open new blank document. Ctrl+O, open options. Ctrl+P, open the print window. Ctrl+F, open find box. Ctrl+I, italicize highlighted selection. Ctrl+K, insert link. Ctrl+U, underline highlighted selection. Ctrl+V, paste. Ctrl+G, find and replace options. Ctrl+H, find and replace options. Ctrl+J, justify paragraph alignment. Ctrl+L, align selected text or line to the left. Ctrl+Q, align the selected paragraph to the left. Ctrl+E, align selected text or line to the center. Ctrl+R, align selected text or line to the right. Ctrl+M, indent the paragraph. Ctrl+T, hanging indent. Ctrl+D, font options. Ctrl+Shift+F, change the font. Ctrl+Shift+, increase selected font +1. Ctrl+, increase selected font +1. Ctrl+, decrease selected font -1. Ctrl+Shift+*, view or hide non-printing characters. Ctrl+, left arrow, move one word to the left. Ctrl+, right arrow, move one word to the right. Ctrl+, up arrow, move to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Ctrl+, down arrow, move to the end of the paragraph. Ctrl+Del, delete the word to the right of the cursor. Ctrl+Backspace, delete the word to the left of the cursor. Ctrl+End, move the cursor to the end of the document. Ctrl+Home, move the cursor to the beginning of the document. Ctrl+Space, reset highlighted text to the default font. Ctrl+1, single space lines. Ctrl+2, double space lines. Ctrl+5, 1.5 line spacing. Control plus Alt plus 1, change text to heading 1. Control plus Alt plus 2, change text to heading 2. Control plus Alt plus 3, change text to heading 3. Shift plus F3, change the case of the selected text. Shift plus Insert, paste. F4, repeat the last action performed. F7, spellcheck selected text and/or document. Shift plus F7. Activate the thesaurus. F12, save as. Control plus S, save. Shift plus F12, save. Alt plus Shift plus D, insert the current date. Alt plus Shift plus T, insert the current time. Control plus W, close document. Control plus is equal to, set chosen text as a subscript. Control plus Shift plus is equal to, set chosen text as superscript. Number 4. PowerPoint shortcuts on the computer. Control plus Shift plus, reduce the font size of the selected text by one size. Control plus G, group things together. Control plus M, create a new slide just after your chosen slide. Control plus D, create a duplicate of your current slide. Escape, exit the ongoing slideshow and it will redirect you to the earlier live view. Control plus K, when you want to enter a hyperlink, use these keys together. Control plus Shift plus these commands are used to maximize the font size of the selected text by one size. F5, with the help of F5 you can start the presentation from the initial slide. Control plus N, these commands are used in a different PowerPoint software window, create a new, blank slide. Last but not the least, basic Windows keyboard shortcuts. Control plus W, close. Alt plus Tab, switch apps. Alt plus F4, close apps. Win plus D, show or hide the desktop. Win plus left arrow or Win plus right arrow, snap windows. Win plus Tab, open the task view. Tab and Shift plus Tab, move backwards and forward through options, etc.
চ্যানেলটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক করবেন এবং পরবর্তী ভিডিও আপডেট পাওয়ার জন্য সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে রাখুন এবং বন্ধুদের মাঝখানে অবশ্যই শেয়ার করবেন।